Well, hello again. It's Ken here with Mukbang Chronicles. And today I am heading to another food truck. It's about 10 minutes away. It's called Starvin Marvin's food truck. Another food truck here in Edmonton, Alberta. Don't know if you can tell, if you can see, but it's raining out today. But that's not going to stop us from trying some new food from another food truck here in Edmonton. So stay tuned, people. Well, hello there again. It's Ken, and I'm back. And I just ordered from Starvin Marvin's food truck. And I got the spicy chicken burger with fries. Look at this bad boy. Little grease is good. But look at that. Beauty. Alright, so this is a new food truck, brand new this year. Ryan Holm, I believe that's how I pronounce his last name, owns it. Nice chap. Had a little chat with him. And I got myself a spicy chicken burger with fries, so let's try it, shall we? Ooh. Woo, doggy. Holy. That has some kick to it. Oh. He wasn't kidding when he said spicy. And we all know how I like spicy. But I had to try it. Look at these fries. Look at these. They look beautiful. So what's going on? How is everybody? The sun is coming out. It's been raining all day here. Raining all week for that matter. But I wanted to get out and try one of these other food trucks. And see how they do. I'll show you a close-up of the food here. Man. Ryan. That's some good stuff, brother. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of spicy, but people that are, man, that's a good burger. One good burger there. So, one spicy chicken burger with fries and a drink came to, we can see that whole $14.70, which again, that's typical for street food. So I'm not complaining. It is good. This is a good chicken burger. It has the bun is grilled good. Just enough little crunchiness on it, as well as the chicken. It's got that little crunch, then you bite into it and you got that sweet spicy chicken, and of course fries. So forgot to tell you, I bought myself a handy dandy food steering wheel tray. You want one? Check out the link down below. I'm going to try that out, see how it works. But first, look at a nice tomato on here with the chicken. So again, Ryan was telling me about his food truck he just started this year. I didn't realize, I knew there's a lot of food trucks in Edmonton. I didn't realize there was over 100. So I've been told. That's what Ryan was saying. That's just craziness, people. Craziness. That's a lot of street food to go through. But I'm up for a challenge. So we'll have to do our best to get to each and every one of them. Might take a little bit, but I'm not going anywhere. Ryan says he has a staff all under the age of 25, which is good. Good for him. It's always good to keep people employed, and you know what? He's creating jobs. So good for you. Good on you, Ryan. And you know what? Good food. He had a couple different items on the menu. Spicy chicken, build your own, and Beyond Meat burger. I like these fries. He cooked these fries just excellent. So, this is my second food truck review. And again, I'm not disappointed. It's good stuff. It's good food. And you can never complain about good food. So, didn't do any fishing this week. It's been raining all week. Just rain, rain, rain. Tomorrow is the last day of school for the kidlets. Then it's summer break. God help us, because I know what's going to happen. Dad, let's go fishing. Okay? Dad, let's go fishing. Dad, let's go fishing. See where I'm going with this? I enjoy fishing, but hopefully it's not every day. But don't tell him that. Ryan, you got the lettuce, tomato, mayo, chicken. You need a slice of cheese, buddy. Or that option, anyway. I know not everyone has a slice of cheese on their chicken sandwich, but... So, anyway, back to school break. Are you guys ready? Are you ready for your kids to be out all summer? We're going to travel a little bit in our van here. Going to do a little tour of Alberta, hopefully. And we'll show you some interesting stuff. Right now, I'm enjoying this delicious spicy chicken burger from Starvin Marvin's food truck right here in Edmonton. Well, he comes to Edmonton. He's based out of Sherwood Park, which is 20 minutes away. Very good. All right. Let's rate this, shall we? Okay, first off, customer service. You know what? A+. Had a conversation with him, asked me how I was doing. Good on him. Appreciate that. Good to have a conversation. Presentation of the food. You know what? You get an A. It's good. Packaged well. It looks good. I like it. Taste. Another A. Ryan, you're doing good, buddy. It's spicy, that's for sure. You gotta like spicy, people. I'm not a big fan of it, but you know what? I still had it and I enjoyed it. And that means it's not too spicy for me. So, another A+. Overall, you get an A. You get an A, Ryan. Good job. Good luck. I'm glad you started a food truck. Excuse me, creating jobs for people. Good on you. Good on you, buddy. And your food is delish. So you're going to get a good A+ or A from me. And I'll be sure to let everyone know. So again, my name's Ken. This is Mukbang Chronicles. Thanks for joining me today. Like I said, I'm going to try to hit every food truck in the city this year. Well, maybe not this year. I'll get to some of them. Maybe all of them. I don't know yet. I'm going to try. And we'll let you know how they do. If their food is good, not good, we'll see. So far, I've had great experience. 2 trucks now, 2 A+. So, again, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. So hit that little notification bell. So when I present another video, you'll be the first to know. All right? So, Starvin Marvin's A+ on my book. Have a good day, people. Love each other, and make sure you get outside and enjoy this beautiful world. All right? Peace.